Good evening, friends. Today we will be talking about our first cross validation error, our first cross validation method, that is leave one out of CV. So, what happens is that in this, suppose we have our model data set like x1, x2, x3, x4, and x5. So, what happens is that we take our one value as a test data and we train our model for all the other values. Okay, so let's suppose I have taken my x1 as my test data and these are my training data. So then I will train my data and then I will predict the value for this particular x1 and I will get my error 1. Similarly I will do for the rest. When I will choose x2, all the remaining values will become my training data. When I will choose x3, all the remaining values will become my training data except x3. And when I will choose x4, except x4, all the remaining will be used for training data. And similarly for x5, and I will be getting e2, e3, e4, e5, the error for all the 5 respective values. And then I take the average of this to get my combined error for our model. So you have seen what happens here, but now it has some advantage and disadvantage. The first advantage is that we do the test for each of the data set present in our, but this being an advantage, it is a disadvantage also. Suppose here I have a small data, so this is a good method. But suppose I have a larger data of 1 lakh data points, 2 lakh data points. So what will happen? My model will go and train and test for each and every data point, which will be very complex and very time consuming process. And suppose if I have an outlier, like suppose x4 was my outlier, which is different from all the available data. Okay, so my error and my value which will be coming out from this will be almost different from all the other. So it may affect my average error value and my model accuracy will not be captured perfectly. Thank you.